Where did this package come from?
From England.
Try again.
From America!
From America!
It's Christmas time. Grab your coat, it's getting cold. Just look at the falling snow. There's season's greetings, happy meetings, oh, and a little bit of mistletoe. They're decorating the Christmas tree with a star up top for you and me. Can you hear the sleigh bells? It's Christmas time.
Who sent you this package?
Granny, Papa, and my other ones.
Papa, Nanny and Papa, Aunt Pam, Uncle Mike, everyone in America sent you this package.
Everyone I know.
Everyone
Even
you
my
know.
cousins?
Yeah, do you want to say thank you before you even open it?
Thank you. Oh, wait,
Yeah.
and we should look closer.
So the main person who sent this to you is Papa, who's my daddy, right? Shall we crack into this and see what you got?
Here you go. Yeah. I can't wait.
Okay, so
Let's start doing our family thing.
let's do it. Okay.
I don't know. That one too close.
So this is
Help, Mommy.
mainly Bodhi's Christmas presents.
I help.
Okay, let's do it here. Oh my gosh, you ready? Wait a second, wait a second.
Definitely see every candy in there.
You think there's candy?
Yeah.
Okay, go on, open it up.
I love it. I got a hairband.
Yeah? You can wear that to school tomorrow, right?
Yeah. Scar.
Show us what it is. Some sour warheads. Yummy. Where should we put those?
Here.
Okay, put them right there.
Now let's open the one that are wrapped.
Okay, wait, let's take out the things that are unwrapped first. Deal?
The stocking that you done paint.
Whoa, that's such a cool arts and crafts project.
And Mommy this.
Whoa, that's really cute. Nice.
More gummy bears.
These remind me so much of my grandparents. They always used to have these in their house, so this is a really nice sentimental treat for us here.
Look what else I got.
Whoa! Arts and crafts! We could do
I have three of them.
Whoa.
Snowman. And a car. My time to see my going.
Do you know what these are?
No.
These are spicy Red Hots. They're cinnamon flavored candy. Have you ever had these?
What's cinnamon?
It's gonna. Do you remember what we put in your mouth the other day? It was really, really hot.
I did not don't try any of those.
Okay, well let's try them later. Okay, let's add them to your candy collection. Okay,
Now.
what else we got? Trader Joe's pumpkin and pancake waffle mix.
Gingerbread house. We
Whoa!
have another one now.
So a lovely.
Wait, remember when we made it?
Yeah, we made this last year with Nanny and Papa. The bag, in a bag, my dad told me specifically that he was going to send this for us because I was telling him I was feeling really homesick. And so this is from near where I grew up.
Syrup.
It's not just syrup, but it's organic maple syrup. Because I used to have this all the time when I was growing up with schmong. For Christmas, we'll make schmong in England on Christmas, Bodhi. Yummy. A little bit of canned pumpkin. Yay. Some almond butter.
Almond butter. Some more almond butter.
Oh my gosh, our favorite food.
What is
Oh,
it?
it jumped them all out. Ah!
Chomp!
Chomps.
Chomp, chomp,
I swear we should be sponsored by Chomps, but
Mom,
we're
put them
not.
back in.
Now, I think everything is,
Yeah.
but I think what we should do is put them underneath the Christmas tree.
No, I want
We'll take them out of the box, put them underneath the Christmas tree,
No.
turn the Christmas tree on, put a little bit of Christmas music on, and then we can open them.
Okay.
Deal?
First, put the lights on. Then put the Christmas music.
So lights
then
on.
we open them.
Put the Christmas,
Tree
the
on.
presents underneath the Christmas tree,
And then we open them.
and then we open them.
Ready, set.
So I'm from the northeast of the United States, so it's always a little bit odd for me to be celebrating Christmas in like, it's like 85 degrees out here. But my dad is also the most expert rapper that I've ever met. He taught me how to rap pretty much anything when I was growing up. So it's so sweet to see all the presents wrapped, and Bodhi is so excited. The wrapping paper, she's absolutely loving it. So we're getting them all in the tree. Let's see how it looks.
Play Christmas music.
Christmas pop from Sponsor.
They wrapped this pretty good. I'm very on it.
You're on it.
Paint.
You can paint, right? Wait a second. What do you say for your paint your own plaster?
Thank you. They wrap it very good.
My daddy does wrap it really good.
I'm sorry. I got a Barbie. And she's a scientist. She's a scientist Barbie. Scientist Barbie. I remember this. We need to do the hand thing again. Stand. Whoa. Really slime. There's some slime.
Whoa! Is that mermaid Barbie?
This is Barbie. Remember this?
That's cool.
What is it?
This is lab putty.
Is that putty?
You can glow in the dark. It's like,
You make something.
yeah.
You make anything you want if you.
Do you know what these are?
No?
You're gonna make decorations to go on the Christmas tree.
Oh!
This one, Bodhi, is from Auntie Pam.
Another Barbie?
What?
And it's a firefighter. Thank you! I'll put in the Barbie next. What is this?
You can make your own critters. You make your own worms and centipedes.
Nice.
Don't think she quite knows what some things are.
I know these.
What's that?
These are like things you look for dinosaurs in them.
That's so cool.
And you build it also. I got
Yeah.
this one.
Wow, look at this Barbie.
It's a ski Barbie.
Oh, this is from Nanny and Papa. What do you say?
Thank you, Nanny and Papa.
So Nanny and Papa sent you presents. Pam and Uncle Mike sent you presents. And now Papa. Okay? So many people love you, baby.
This is how lucky I am. I got some Barbies now.
This is a pediatrician Barbie.
What is the pediatrician
It
Barbie?
means you take care of babies.
Only babies.
Only babies.
Thank you, everyone. I love you. Can't wait to see you.
Thank you so much, everyone. We absolutely are so grateful, and we love our package. And getting any packages like this is such a treat and such a special day. So we are so stoked. We're gonna do some arts and crafts now. Definitely play with the Barbies, because Bodhi has been begging for Barbies for weeks now. So we are stoked. So we love you, we miss you, and we will see you hopefully sooner rather than later. Bye.